Alright, this is my compost tumbler system. It makes turning the compost a lot easier, but I can still have a lot of volume. These are IBC totes. You can find them on your uh, whatever preferred secondhand marketplace, Craigslist or OfferUp or maybe Facebook Marketplace. Um, the tank on the right is 330 gallons. The one on the left is 275. Probably the smaller size is more manageable. They've got lids. I've used aluminum angle and pop rivets to stabilize the plastics. Kind of flimsy once you cut the hole in the top. This lid's a little different. I think I like this design better. It's got a latch, lifts up. Um, Compost inside. Uh, and on the ends, I have kind of almost woven these two pieces of plywood in here and screwed them together so they don't slide out of the metal frame. And then there's a hole in the fixed piece. And I used a 1-inch EMT electrical conduit as the axle. If you have your these two pieces really close together, the axle is plenty strong enough. If you open the space really wide, several inches or more, it probably will bend. But if it's really close together, it won't bend. This was the first one I made. This is not quite as nice of a job attaching it, but just protect the end a little bit. Yep, requires an able-bodied person to turn it, but it only takes about 30 seconds, and it's not very hard if you're, reasonably able-bodied. I use my feet. I use the momentum, get my foot on top, and then push it over that way. It's pretty easy.